Today we will learn how to change colors using 3 techniques in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a color video and we will change its color. We'll go to Effect and search for Leaf Color and leave the effect on top of the video layer. Next we will move on to Effect Control and go to the Leaf Color, select the tick mark and click on the color you want to keep in the video. Then come to amount of the color and set it to 100%. Then change the mesh color using hue and you can see how much better it looks than before, and expect for the blue color everything else is white and black. Now we will learn the second technique. We'll go to Effect and search for the Change to Color. We'll leave it to Layer. Then we'll go to the Effect Controls. Come here and take the color we want to change. See, this color has changed and we can give it the color we want from the hair. I have selected green color here. If you want, you can color hair as per your wish. Now we'll learn the third technique. We'll move on the Lumetri Color and go to the Hue and Saturation Color. From there, we will come to Hue vs Hue and select the color we want to change. I have selected red color here. From here it will change to whatever color I select. I have given this color here and you can see the color has changed here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.